Welcome to an In-Orbit Deep Dive podcast. The following AI-generated podcast explores InOrbit, the industry's leading AI-powered cloud-based data platform for effectively managing and orchestrating growing robot fleets. InOrbit makes robots from different vendors, smart infrastructure, and existing control or management systems work together. With InOrbit, you get comprehensive observability, incident review, and data analytics. To learn more about InOrbit and the power of robot operations, visit us online at InOrbit.AI. Now on to the podcast.
All right, so you know how we're always hearing about the robot revolution? Well, get this. There are over 3 million robots already hard at work in warehouses all over the planet.
3 million. It's mind-boggling, isn't it? And someone has to be in charge of all those bots.
Exactly. Which brings us to today's deep dive. We're talking robot operations, or RobOps for those in the know, like air traffic control, but for robots.
Perfect analogy. And in the coming, we're focusing on InOrbit. They're basically building the air traffic control tower for this new era of automation.
Okay, so to be clear, InOrbit doesn't actually build the robots themselves, right?
No. They're all about the software. They provide the platform, the tools to manage and optimize entire fleets of robots, regardless of who built them.
Got it. So it's like, imagine having robots from 10 different companies all working together in one giant warehouse. InOrbit is the conductor, making sure the whole orchestra plays in sync.
Precisely. And what's really fascinating is the AI-powered aspect of their platform. It's not just about remote control, it's about using data to make those robots smarter and more efficient.
Okay, so let's talk specifics. How does that actually work in the real world? Give me an example.
Sure. Imagine a fleet of delivery robots, right? InOrbit's AI can track things like road efficiency, battery life, all of that in real time. So let's say one robot keeps having battery issues. The AI would detect that pattern.
Okay, makes sense. But then what?
That's where the robot boss comes in.
Robot boss. Wait, is that a real thing?
Oh yeah, InOrbit's term for their end users, the people actually managing the robots on the ground.
That's brilliant. Okay, so the AI flags the problem for the robot boss. What happens next?
The AI might suggest a solution, maybe rerouting the robot to include more charging stations, something like that.
Yeah.
It's about proactively solving problems before they even impact operations.
That's amazing. And I read that InOrbit works directly with robot developers too. Why is that connection so important?
Because it closes the feedback loop. All the data InOrbit collects from millions of robots out in the field, it goes straight back to the developers. That helps them refine their designs, improve functionality, and ultimately create even better robots.
It's like a giant real-world laboratory for robotics.
Exactly.
Now, we have to talk about InOrbit Connect. This one really blew my mind. It's like the holy grail of robotics.
It has the potential to be a game changer. In the past, getting robots from different companies to talk to each other, to collaborate, it's been a nightmare. Like everyone's speaking a different language.
Right. But InOrbit Connect is like, what, a universal translator for robots?
Exactly. It allows for true interoperability. So now you can have robots from different manufacturers working together seamlessly, sharing data, coordinating tasks. It's pretty remarkable.
Okay, last but not least, tell me about the InOrbit robot directory and the robot space. These seem like more than just side projects.
They speak to InOrbit's larger ambition. The directory is like a yellow pages for robots.
So if I'm a company looking for a specific type of robot, I can just go there and find it.
Yep. It's all about simplifying the process, making it easier for businesses to adopt and integrate robotics. And the robot space, that's their physical location where they can really push the boundaries of what's possible in RobOps.
So if InOrbit is already doing all this today, what's the future look like? What's next for them and for the world of robotics? What do you think?
Honestly, I think we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. The next 5 to 10 years are going to be absolutely transformative. And InOrbit, with their focus on RobOps, they're going to be right at the forefront of it all.
Exciting times. Thanks so much for the deep dive. This was eye-opening.
My pleasure. Always happy to talk robots.
We hope you enjoyed this InOrbit podcast. Visit us online at InOrbit.AI to learn how we make robots work. And contact us anytime at team@InOrbit.AI. This AI-generated podcast was created using Google's Notebook LM. Thanks for listening.